Hello folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a video editor that edits with Adobe Premiere Pro, then you should know these 5 things I'm about to share. If you don't know them, then you should be flogged. Okay, that was just a joke. Nobody knows it all. Number 1, so many times we have some little things we have to go and do in After Effects, then bring it back to Premiere Pro. What so many editors do is they finish the job in After Effects, export the video, bring it to Premiere Pro to continue. If they have anything to adjust, they repeat the process, which is a lot of time wasted. What you can simply do is import your After Effects project directly into your Premiere Pro, select your final comp or your main comp depending on how you name it, drag it directly into your timeline, and if you have anything to adjust, you just right click, go to Edit Original, it will open up After Effects for you, do your adjustments, change pictures, change colors, change text, do anything, save it, come back to Premiere Pro, and then the correction is automatically applied. Number 2, you can export a video with a transparent background in Premiere Pro. I don't know what you might need that for, but the option is there. Let's assume this is a very serious animation you've done here. You go to your export settings, here choose QuickTime, and here go down to more options, and all of these ones that has alpha we export with a transparent background. I normally use this. Number 3, you can create your own shortcut. Using shortcut is so cool because it makes you look like a pro and it makes you edit really fast. One of the shortcuts I use very often is E. Sometimes maybe after doing your color grading, you want to see your before and after. Some people will use the eye icon here or the right click, enable, disable. All of that wastes a lot of time. How to create your own shortcut? Go to edit, scroll down to keyboard shortcuts. Let's say you want to use the letter E, you already have something on it. You go down here, delete it, then search for what you want to use. In my case, enable, drag it up to letter E and click OK. There you have your shortcuts. Number 4, yes, we have the effect control to move things around, to add our keyframes and all, but you can also move things around easily in your program monitor. You can even achieve this kind of animation, which is almost impossible, if not impossible, to achieve in effect control. Number 5, there is something in Premiere Pro called Nest. If you are familiar with After Effects, it works like a pre-comp. You can have a picture or a video, nest it. In this case, let's say you apply this animation and then you want to change the picture, you can simply open the nest, replace it with another picture, and then the animation is still on the video. If you know all these things, congratulations, you're a very good video editor. And if there are some you did not know, now you know. On this channel, we do VFX, 3D, motion graphics, video editing. So consider subscribing, turn on the notification, and I will see you in my next video.